Get a little comfortable. Babe, am I blocking you? Should I sit on this side? Did I just suffocate you? Hey everyone. Hey everyone. I don't know why I feel nervous. Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Astrema if you're new to my channel. And I just wanted to come and share some news with you guys.
Oh my god.
Yes. We are engaged, you guys. So Lucky, my boyfriend, well, my fiance now, has finally proposed after us dating for 5 years. If you've been following me throughout my life journey and everything, when I share vlogs and just everything, we finally are engaged and we're so excited to be moving on to the next level, a new chapter in our lives. We do have a three-year-old together, Mila. She's in the background making hello. If you're new and you don't know, I just wanted to just come and share that information with you all, since some of you were basically asking when we were gonna get married and things like that. We don't have like a date set out yet or any of that, but we're just so excited and I just wanted to just share that with you all. And yeah, so excited. Love my baby. He's tired. I woke him up from his nap so we could come and share the news. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for supporting me. And let me just give y'all a little quick close-up of the ring. Right here, I know a lot of you want to see the ring, so here's a little close-up of my beautiful ring that Bae picked out for me. It's beautiful. This is a pear shape ring right here, and I love it. I feel like the pear shape fits me so nicely, and I'm just so happy. Are you happy, Bae?
Yes. We are accepting gifts, all gifts. Oh, that's it.
We're accepting gifts. So we can't wait to see what the future has in store for us, and yeah, you guys, so excited. Hey you guys, so I've been sitting around the computer, not all day, but you know, for a while. I'm getting caught up on Pinterest. I've been looking at like different wedding things and, you know, just trying to figure out a color scheme for when the time comes. You know, I'm a little excited, and I made a whole wedding ideas board, and I've just been pinning a whole bunch of things. You know, you get caught up. You'll stay on Pinterest all day. I'm on the computer all day in general, just from like doing research, my YouTube stuff and editing. A lot of the times my eyes be hurting me, y'all. Like, they really be hurting me. Like, if you've been following me for a while now, you know that my vision is not the best. I have astigmatism in one eye. Just in general, if you're gonna be on a computer all day, you need to get like some blue light blocking glasses so that you won't be straining your eyes. And that's why I'm so happy to have got some new blue light glasses and prescription glasses from Zulu. Thank you so much to Zulu for sponsoring this portion of the video. And they sent over 6 pairs of glasses. Zulu, if you didn't know, is an online eyewear company that sells stylish and high quality glasses at affordable prices. They have so much to choose from. It's so overwhelming how many beautiful different styles of glasses they have. They have prescription glasses and they have blue light blocking glasses and just glasses in general. So here are the prescription glasses that they sent over. I got the Evelyn, the Bivins, and the Newell. You can easily type in your prescription. If you didn't see my vlog the other day, I went and got my eye exam, so I had my exact prescription fit perfectly. I can see perfectly through them, and I'm just loving my new prescription glasses. And then the blue light blocking glasses, I got the Connie, Charlene, and the Cascata. The blue light makes it difficult to focus on the screen, and it'll make you strain your eyes. So the blue light glasses help to increase contrast on your screen, making it easier to focus and reduce eye strain. So I do recommend you guys get you a pair of blue light blocking glasses if you've never heard of it or you've never tried one out. You most definitely should do that because it has literally made my eyes feel so much better when looking at the screen, whether it be my computer, my iPad, my phone. I'm gonna be keeping one around my desk area for when I'm working. I'm gonna keep a pair in my bag for when I'm out and about, if I'm gonna be on my phone long or if I'm gonna be doing business elsewhere, and you know, I'll have it in different places. I'm loving that I had several to choose from, and then of course my prescription glasses just to have different stylish looks. You know, your girl is gonna be wearing glasses so she could see whether it be daytime, nighttime, so I'm loving that I can switch up my look. They literally have so many to choose from, whether it be cat eye, rounded, oval, geometric shapes. If you're trying to wonder whether or not you can order it online, you don't know how it's gonna fit your face, there is a feature on Newell website where you can upload a front-facing photo of yourself and virtually try the glasses on to see how it would look. That is such a cool feature, and you can choose your prescription type, whether it be non-prescription, single prescription, progressive, you know, or just for the look. I will have a coupon code down below in the description box so you can get some money off on your order today, and I will have the links to each pair of glasses that I shared in the video today. I hope that you guys go on ahead and check out the website. You will not regret it because I'm loving all of my glasses right now. You know, I'm not gonna tell you about anything that I'm not loving, and they literally have been helping so much with my vision when I'm on the computer, you guys. So I'm literally loving my blue light glasses. Definitely check out your prescription glasses. I'm loving all the glasses, you guys. So we're gonna be putting together Mila's Christmas tree that my grandmother sent over to her. She's gonna have a miniature Christmas tree for her bedroom. It comes with decorations, a little bulb. What is this? Ornaments?
Yeah, Santa.
And the Santa ornament. Look at that.
There's a star.
Oh, she got a star.
I had a star from
You see
here.
that? Look here. It's a pre-lit tree. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Let's fluff it out.
Please.
And what are those?
To go on the tree.
To go on the tree, little presents.
Yes.
That's so
We'll
nice.
open it.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma. Good night. One Santa, two Santa, five Santa, no batteries.
I'm thinking we plug it in. It takes batteries.
Yeah.
Okay, look if we got
What
AA
it
batteries,
do?
please. This will just mess up everything if there's no AA batteries. I'm gonna fluff it out in the meantime.
No
Meantime. This is such a beautiful tree.
Oh, wow.
I believe it was from
So
Amazon.
cool.
Lucky Mila.
You lucky, Mila.
What? I'm not yucky.
She said, I'm not lucky. You not lucky?
No.
So what's that?
Wow. Three or
It's
so.
three?
Three.
Wow.
Wow.
So lucky.
So yucky.
Not yucky, lucky.
Yucky. Got two Santas
Yeah.
and the book.
You giving them kisses?
Yes, I really love you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Let's
baby.
give hugs.
Oh, you're such a sweet baby.
Let's get poop.
No. What is he always talking about poop, girl?
But
What is the kids' obsession with poop?
Kids need to use the toilet. I'm asking poop. That's why I need to use the toilet to poop in the toilet.
Oh, okay.
That's
Mila
why-
watches a lot of like teaching to go to the bathroom shows and to wash your hands after number one, number
Mommy,
two.
there's a book on it.
Where?
There, on the book. On the Santa book.
A bug.
Yeah,
Where?
there. I saw it. You were talking.
What the hell? That was a bug. Lakeith.
Look,
Lakeith. Come here, we need your assistance.
so scary.
Oh, that's an ant.
Oh,
Oh, it probably was in the tree. Like, you know, from the factory. What the heck? Yo, Mila eyed them good. How did you see this little thing?
I don't know.
You see everything, little girl?
Yeah, see everything. It's getting the Christmas stuff.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god.
It probably went into the box when they was packaging it or something.
Yeah, no. I want to see the box.
Oh my god.
I
All right.
can't read this card.
All right. Well, let's get back to regular schedule program.
Okay.
Decorate the tree.
Decorate the tree.
Oh, Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. All the way. Mommy.
Mila, you get your own personal tree? How cool.
Okay. Go ahead and answer.
There you go.
Yay!
One fell.
Wow, Santa's so cute.
Aww.
He's a baby.
You know, you giving Santa that compliment, he's gonna give you a lot of gifts.
Yay! Hello.
Wait, you wanna put the star on the tree?
Yeah.
Put the star here. Put it up top.
Okay.
Let me help you.
With your phone.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Look at Santa.
Yes, beautiful.
Ho, ho, ho.
Merry Christmas.
No, Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho. No! I want to go to the tree.
This is so cool.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Look, this is how you do it. So you put it over the hole over it, okay?
Okay.
And then you bend it up.
Yay! I did it.
You did it? Good job.
He's so cute.
He's so cute.
Get some more Santa.
I love these little ornaments.
Me too. With the Santa ornaments too.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Hello. Oh, he's so cute.
This was such a good idea for Grandma to get you this.
Yeah, so cool. It's so awesome.
So awesome.
Mom, guess what?
What, baby?
I saw Santa melting.
You saw Santa what?
I saw Santa melting in the snow.
You saw him melting in the snow?
Yeah.
Mila, you always got some story.
Santa man in the snow, guys. He is melting.
He's melting in the snow, guys.
Yeah, and then Mom said Santa run away really fast, quickly, before he gets his house.
Yeah, Mila's a little congested still.
Yeah, everybody wake up and see Santa.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody's so angry and go to our
I'm gonna
house.
put a little bit of presents.
Yeah, it's open.
How it go? The presents go, I don't know, it has hooks, so I guess.
Yes,
There
you
you
do
go.
have to.
Oh no, we're gonna leave that Santa to the side.
Mommy is so funny.
Okay. You ready to put the batteries in?
But the battery is for the dark. Hello, the Santa is broken.
Santa's broke. One of the Santa Claus broke off.
Oh no, what did I do?
Okay,
I'm
mommy.
gonna run away.
Mommy gonna put in the battery.
Wait,
What's going on?
what is going on?
Is there a switch?
Yes, yes.
Wait, hold on. We're having a little malfunction.
Oh my God.
Lockheed, we need your assistance.
Yes, yes, extension.
Put the batteries in right.
Of course I put it in right. The plus sign is the flat part. No, yes, I put the batteries in right.
Look, Santa. Okay.
Oh my God, Mila. We might not have these batteries. I'll be right back. Oh, I didn't. Wait, how did you do that?
I opened it.
What do you mean? No, show me what you did.
Sure, I didn't put the batteries
What
in
you
right.
did?
What do you mean I never put the battery in right? Hold on.
Hold on.
Oh. Oh, wait, I did. I guess you have to push it down.
No. One of the batteries face opposite.
I did it wrong.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, Lucky fixed it. All right, you guys. Look how pretty. Oh, look, Mila, you could get it flickering too. Look, look, look. There's different levels to this.
Wow. Where?
Hey, hey. Oh, and it's just steady. Then it's flashing. Flash, flash. Woo, that's so pretty, right?
Yeah.
Do you love it?
No.
What do you mean no? You do love it. Why everything is no now with Mila?
No.
She said no, she don't love it, but yet she does.
I don't.
It's so pretty. Look, Lucky, there's different levels.
I don't like it.
Oh, that's my favorite level right
No.
You love it? You love it? Yes? What's a mad face, girl?
I don't like it.
Yes, you love it. Stop the foolishness.
it.
Mila has been so, like, inquisitive. She wants to challenge everyone now, even when she likes something. All right, we're going to put the tree in Mila's room.
Yay.
And I switched it to this one with stars, and it's a shorter length and it does not hit the radiator, which I thought looked a lot better than the other one that was hitting the radiator. And I love the stars on it, and it also is a room darkening and blackout curtain. So I'll link this down below if you're interested. I did order it from Amazon. And the final apartment update is us getting these new IKEA drawers. We got 2 4 drawers and we got 3 3 drawers, and Lakeith had put them together for me, but he only put together the 4 drawers. I put on the backing with the nails. I know it's a little ghetto, me using this little candle, but I don't have a hammer yet. This is how they look. If you've never had any IKEA furniture before, you do have to put it together, and if you do it right, it will be very sturdy. And I decided to go with 2 4 drawers and push them together so that we can have more space for an extended dresser, opposed to the 6 drawer mall dresser. So this is the mall collection, if you don't know, and the drawers are so deep and I just love them. So I pushed them together and you see that it looks like an extended dresser, and I can't wait to get it into our bedroom. It took him a little time to put together, but it's all worth it if you do it properly. He's gonna be putting the 3 drawers together soon, and then we're gonna be using that as nightstands and one for Mila. So thanks so much for watching the vlog today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.